Last time, we were left off with the position of 3, and we are now moving on to the settlement part of the sales transaction. Let's take a look at the final result. This is the position 1, the position 2, and the position 3. We leave the position 4 blank, and we are sticking to the position 5 and 6 in this example. For position 5, it is extracting the account number 1060, the accounts receivable from chart of accounts, which is very much the same as the position 3. The only difference being the position. So let's go to our formula. Let's delete everything from our formula. Shift N and direction key, press delete to delete everything, and move to the position of 3. Ctrl C, Ctrl V to paste. And what we need to do is only changing the post number from 3 to 5. Ctrl S, save it. Let's take a look at the accounts receivable from position 5. This is position 5. And this is position 3. Let's move on to position 6. When we take a look at the formula, so you can see the index formula, right? It is looking for the settle trends item code. This one reminds me of the position 4 of a purchase transaction. Let's take a look at the purchase transaction 4. This is P4. Except the position and the type difference, they are both looking for settle trends item code from the bookkeeping interface. Okay, what we can do is, let me wipe out everything from P6. Excuse me, should be this one, P6. And let's go to P4. Ctrl C to copy that. And I go to position R6 to press Ctrl V to paste. And what I need to do is simply replacing the position number 4 with 6 and the trends type from capital P to capital R. That means it is a revenue transaction position number 6. Then I press enter. So it should be here. And let's take a look at what we get from our revenue example. This is position 1, the sales, position 2, taxes payable, position 3, accounts receivable, position 4, left blank, position 5, accounts receivable, and position 6, the settlement, which we will usually see cash and deposits because we usually get cash or just get whatever amount transferring to our bank. And we classify that in cash and deposits. Okay, so let's take a break and we will move on to our last type of transaction, the interbank transaction. Then we are done with the back end and we can start working on the front end.